Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's doing very well today. Happy weekend guys. For this video, it's about passion twist crochet method. Basically, is back to school and I'm doing my daughter's hair because school is about to resume, and I wanted to do something really quick and fast that will last long for her to go back to school. And here we go. I haven't seen anybody do it on YouTube yet. So what I had done is a lot different, not slightly actually, quite a lot different from what everybody else is doing. I don't know how to explain it to you. Basically, I'd rather you just sit back, relax, and watch it so you can see what I'm talking about. Basically, I had used the extension in a different way rather than the way everyone else uses it. I used mine in a different way. So this was my braid pattern, and I'm gonna go ahead and start. This is the hair that I'm using. It's from Area Hair. Yeah, I think it's Area or something like that. Area Hair. I'm gonna put the description of the hair that I'm using on the description box so that you can get it. And I also have a 10% discount code on the hair, so if you want to get your hand on it, you can use my discount code. I'm gonna put it on the description box like I said, and get you 10% off on the hair. So I got sent 3 packs to use. Obviously I'm reviewing this hair for the vendor, so I'm using 3 packs, but for the style that I did and the way I used the hair, I did not use all 3 packs. Basically I just used only 2.5, I believe. Yeah, that's how much I used, just about there, because of the way I had used the extension. 3 packs was well enough for me. So if you're looking to do this hair or this style, you don't need to go breaking the bank. It's quite affordable, really cheap. All you need is just about 3 packs or thereabouts. But this was our progress so far. As you can see, I crocheted the middle like this with my braid pattern and everything, and I'm gonna go ahead and do individual on the bits that her hair is all left out. But pretty much that's all I did. I'm just gonna let you watch it so that you can get a vibe of what I'm talking about. But enjoy watching it guys, and I do hope that you watch it till the end. Let me know if you have any questions and leave your comment down below and I will answer them. And yeah, thank you for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And yeah, thank you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one guys. God bless. Bye.